Dugayan ako nakauli gabi guys, oy. You know, yesterday I was doing my New Year's resolution. Nagsuwat ko sa akong New Year's resolution. And then my cousin Kate, she messaged me. Nag-message na ako nga naman siya sa Switzerland, and she messaged me nga ang among classmate and one of our barkadas during college got admitted sa hospital kay na cancer. Wow. And the last thing I knew about her, that she was living a happy life, very successful, American dream. Then all of a sudden, na-cut short kay nakuno siya cancer, ovarian cancer. And na siya siyang mga final stages. Stage 4 naman, unya ni katay na kunog maayo. So I was sad to learn about it, no? And New Year pag yun, di ba? So I was traveling, ni-travel ko, nibiya din ko. Gahapon, I went to Manteca, Tracy. That's like 1 hour and 30 minutes from here na drive. So I arrived there like 1 o'clock. 2 p.m. di ay. Mga 2 p.m. Before that, I went to Trader's Joe ni palit sa og flowers. Nice siguro ni nga flower, no? Guys, I just got here in Modesto. The message that I first saw was from Kate Sembrano, my cousin. And she's one of our barkadas also during college in Sibudok. And I learned from her that Mona is in a tender stage of, her sickness, and I'm visiting her here right now. I'm just getting some flowers na lang, no? I got this one. Now I'm gonna visit her. Si Mona amuan ng barkada pag-college sa PT in Sibudok. And I just learned about it. And I rush here because I'm just in San Francisco. With a heavy heart, I went to the hospital. And I visited Mona. She passed away. Wow. I was writing here my New Year's resolution. That was yesterday. Pinaka number 1 pag yun. Oh wait, you know what? I have a mic here. Pinaka number 1 pag yun ako sa New Year's resolution ako is stay healthy. Grabe, no? Unsa ka na ikosa ng mga cancers, no? How do you avoid cancer? Eat the right food. No more Coke. No more chips. No more burgers. Grabe ay, luyang Mona eh. I visited her. Wa na gid siya life. I was able to talk to her for a while. I stayed there until 12 midnight. I waited na kanang makamata bitaw siya balik. So I can talk to her. Na murag makonscious siya ba. Kay earlier ko no, around 10 a.m. gahapon, naglakaw-lakaw pa ko na siya kanang gi-wheelchair unya ni kaog hopya. But I wasn't able to get to her. Kay hapon naman ko nakaabot ngadto. When I got to her, pagkahapon, she was in bed. Natug na siya. Murag in pain, restless. So I stayed there the whole afternoon until 12 midnight, getting the chance na gamay na lang kay tao sa room and get to talk to her and say my last goodbyes. And I was able to talk to her, hold her hands. I have a video, I'm gonna share it here.
Hi, Mona.
Okay.
Si Daxky, Mon.
Oh, tingin siya.
Si Daxky, Mon. Hi, Mon. It's Daxky. Nag-regard si Kate ni mo. Regard sabi ni Kate ug si Roxanne. Atong mga barkada from Cebu. Remember? Cebu Doc? Mag-island hopping pa ta sa una. Ay, ni-smile si Mona. Si Daxky ni Mon. I love you, Mon. Si Daxky ni Mon. Mag-island hopping pa ta sa una. Diba kay numdum ka? Natuog pa mi sa inyuhang balay, Mon. Kami ni John D sa una. Kay numdum ka, Mon. Si Daxky ni Mon. I'm here. Gikan pa kong San Francisco. I heard about it. Gingnan ko ni Kate. Niya si Roxanne. Mubiyahe pod ko na nga rin. She's flying. I don't know. Kano sa siya mo mubiyahe. Si Mona. I'm with Mona. Nung regard si Kate ni mo. Si Daxky ni. Si Daxky. Kaya hinumdum ka sa tong island hopping pag college. Unya, nangatog mi ni John D sa inyuhang balay. Sa Cathedral dapit. May usamis. You remember that? Ni-smile siya. Pag-ingon ako nga, nag-island hopping mi pag college. Mona. Daxky, Mon. Si Daxky. We love you, Mon. Bago rami nagka-istorya ni Kate. Bago pa mi nagka-istorya ni Kate, si Daxky ni. I came from San Francisco. Bisita ko ni mo. Karon pa man ka nakita na noon. Oy, di man ka mo message naman. Mona. Kaya hinumdum pa ka na nangatog mi ni John D sa usami sa inyuhang balay. Pag college. Take care, Mon. Love you, Mon.
Unya, Mona is a very special person. Buutan kay na siya nga tao. Buutan kay na siya nga classmate, and she's a really good friend. I knew her back then sa college on my first and second year stint in my physical therapy in Cebu Doctors. Then this photo here, right here, this is our group photo. And that's Lee Ray on the left side. Kate, that's my cousin Kate. Igagaw ko na sa Bato Leyte. She's in Switzerland now. And ang tapad niya is Daryl, D, Ann. And si Daryl, lingaw kayo kay every time magkita mi, usay magkita mi sa kanang breadmaster, mangaon mi og kaniang pandileche and coke. Ligaw kayo. Asa si Mona mo, apas po na diha. Kanang duol na silang boarding house. Then, the next one is Ann Bennett. and Edna, Soledad. And the last one is Mona. That's Mona on the last one. Then you have Benji here, Paulino, beside me. I think if I remembered right, Benji was trying to court Kate. It was special, no? Those days were so special. Kalingaw atong mga saon ng panahon, wagi problema. Di ka magunahon nagkwarta, no? Laag lang. Kung na'y kwarta, gamay kwarta. And Mona, grabe kay ni siya kaning, she is a very determined person, no? Very friendly and very intelligent also. I used to sit beside her kay diha gid ko tig pangupya. I copy from her. And this other photo here is me on the left side and Mona on the center and John D. This is the time when we went to Ozamis and we were able to sleep in their place. I was able to meet kaning mama ni Mona, which is si Mama Lil, and we slept in their house doon sa may cathedral. It was a very pleasant experience, very province-like and hospitable, super hospitable. I love the hospitality gid sa Pilipino. Then we ate buwad and fried eggs, then rice. I love those experiences. Mona was very hospitable. Hasta iyang mama. Her mother also passed away. I'm going to attach the video on my last conversation with Mona, where I was able to talk to her, and she actually smiled, no, when I told her, do you still remember katong nag-outing ka nangadto tag island hopping? And this is Dax. Okay, I felt like there was a touch, like she recognized me even if kapoy na kay iyang lawas, murag drained na bitaw kayo. Wa na siya kusog. She was able to recognize me. Wherever you are, Mona, I pray that you are peacefully settled wherever you are, and I know you're going to be happy with your mom right now. Farewell. And watch over us. I know your daughter will be happy, also with your husband, Jay, and all your friends will miss you also. We miss you so much.
How can I help you? How can I help you?
No, we actually hit the bell by accident. Sorry. You can cancel that.
Okay.
Can you just hit that bell?
Yeah.
Now, yesterday I was writing my New Year's resolution for 2026. First good is healthy. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Stay healthy. Motto, try to avoid mga junk foods, chips, burgers, and stay away from the negative environment. What are the negative environments like? Places that are unorganized. Try to arrange it, keep it nice and clean so that ang feeling nimo is you have positive ambience. Then stay away from negative people so that it won't harm your positive vibes and your outlook on hopes, good hopes, on all the positive things that you wish to achieve and all the positive aura that you want in life. Wake up early. Yeah, I have to wake up early. Okay. One of the reasons lang po na I don't wake up early here is kay tungod kay tugnaw. Tugnaw man gud diri, guys. Manang sometimes ba di kay ko ka matawag sa'yo. Okay, then meditate and recharge every day. Yep, meditate and recharge every day. That's very important. I do meditation at the same time on my breath hold. Kaya mag-breath hold ko, mag-practice ko sa mga breath hold exercises. I also do my meditation there. Then also, I listen to Christian songs in the morning. One of which na maka-feel pod ko positivity and I feel recharged when I listen to Christian songs in the morning. Another New Year's resolution, increase my breath hold from 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Kaya ba kaha? I'll try. 5 to 7 minutes breath hold. 5 minutes gani, grabe, kaigit na ko. Maybe I'll try 6 minutes. 5:30 kaya pa. 6 minutes, punga-punga, but 7, I'll try by the end of the year. 7 minutes. Then one sports upgrade only for this year. Spearfishing and golf. Maybe usa na lang ka spear gun for this year. And a golf club. Unsa ka nga golf club, no? Learn something new. I have to learn something new. What's something new that I should learn, huh? Sakay something new that I want to learn. I have to learn something new. There's a lot of things that you can learn. That's something new. Okay. What else? So learning something new. I have to learn something new for this year. Unsa ka, no? New sport? New kind of business? Is my mic on? Okay. Learn something new. Grab opportunities. I'm sure there's a lot of opportunities to grab out here. It's a financial district. Then associate with success. Be with successful people and mentors. Yep, for this year. Read more books and never stop learning. I will be doing that. I'll be reading more books and never stop learning. I'll grab the opportunities, any kind of opportunities that I encounter, I will grab them. Any opportunities, I will grab them. I will work hard. Read more books and never stop learning.